How to turn on spatial sound on Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your Windows. Here, click on System, which is the first option. After you click on System, you'll find this kind of screen. In here on the left side, click on Sound. Then, below Output, click on Device Properties. After you click on Device Properties, you will find different options in here. Simply click on Spatial Sound Format. After you click on it, you'll find option to turn it on, or the service that is available on your device. Simply select it and you're good to go. This is how to turn on spatial sound in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more.